Hello guys, we came to our bus stand today to go to VR Mall. So this is our KKD Nagar bus stand. I accompanied with my sister. Say hi. So we will shoot everything after visiting to the VR Mall. I'll remove my sunglasses. Okay guys, hope you're all safe, and I am going to enjoy this great evening with my sister by shopping and purchasing things. Let's see what they have in the shops, and I'm just seeing this beautiful the scenery in front of me. I'm going to show you that. um, okay, okay, I guess you can see this. Can you see it guys? I guess. Oh, this is so shady. Okay. I guess it's not showing well. Yeah, you can see now, right? See how beautiful clouds are there. So this is the clouds guys. It's getting dark clouds here. So okay guys, I'll see you after visiting to the mall. Bye bye. Say bye.